Welcome to Traveling Rocks. In this video we will see how to book train ticket Oslo to Bergen, and this train is one of the best train in the world. So how to book and what is the price, which platform are providing this facility. So let's start detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Traveling Rocks. So simply open here new tab Google and just put it how to book train ticket Oslo to Bergen, enter. So first link is come here rail.ninja. so I already put it this link in same video description, so you can very easily click the particular link and come this particular platform. So simply click here. In entire Norway you can book the train ticket using the rail.ninja.com only. If you are traveling in Santa Claus village, so this platform are providing you very easily cheapest price ticket. So here one way, two way, I already selected here the specific location like Oslo to Bergen. Here you select your date, which date you are traveling. I just simply randomly select on 25th of August 2022 Oslo to Bergen. How many people you are traveling? So I consider one, search. So here per day 5 trains are traveling and each train simultaneously same time accordingly, like 6 hour 45 minutes, 6 hour 53 minutes. So two different times are considered here, but around all trains are reaching there less than 7 hours. So here ticket price is 270 euro. This ticket price is a flexi. If you are booking your train ticket, like suppose for example I book my train ticket 25th, not 25th, like suppose 25th of September, and then search. So the ticket price variation, look at this. If you are buying like after 1 week, so the ticket price is quite expensive. If you are buying same ticket after 1 month, so the ticket price you are seeing here 145 euro only. If you are booking like suppose for example 2 months early, 25th of October, so the ticket price is 145. so this is a less amount of ticket price, and here several options are available. Look at this here. If you are selecting this train, so the ticket price is like 87 euro. So this is a flexible ticket, so you can buy early if you want travel the particular location Oslo to Bergen. So 2 months ago if you are booked the ticket, so just only 87 euro you are paying. If you are traveling like a same month, like after 1 week, so you can pay single journey ticket 270. But if you are traveling is a confirm fix, so you can book your ticket 2 months ago and save your around 150 euro. So select here. I already booked the ticket same time 10:25. Here's different options also available. Service, so comfort, you don't change this ticket. Flexible ticket, if you want flexible ticket, suppose you book early or after or cancel, so your all money are refund. If you are select this one, your money is not refund. For the 2 months ago if you are booked your ticket, so first class ticket is 113 euro only. So that one is really amazing. I go with select this simple. You can select which one you want. 6-bed cabin also available, travel with your family. So I select here continue. Now here 25th of October, you can check it out properly, 87, and service charges is 9 euro. So total price is 96. So the service price is also flexible. If you are booking 1 week ago, so the service charges price is 20 euro. Now I am booking this train ticket is a 2 month early, so the service charges also reduced. So just simply put it here your email address, so the ticket are coming in your email address. So here passenger detail, full name, book ticket, and ready to pay. Debit card, credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and several other options also available. I have no idea about this other options, but I am familiar about this 5 to 6 options like a Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, and so on. Just simply put it here your credit card number, name of the holder like this, expiry date, and here put it your mobile number, all information, terms and condition, and pay. You are paying 96 euro and travel 25th of October. It's very simple and easy to purchase this particular train tickets early. If you book early, save much more money. If you are book late, you pay more money. It's very simple to book train ticket Oslo to Bergen.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel
Traveling Rock.
Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.